a few more years of resources because of some new inventions or technologies. But in the end, even if we can feed and house 14 billion people, what will their lives be like? I mean, the population's going to have to stop growing at some point, so why not stop now instead of wishing that some invention...
I was taught, I was from this deep south, that this man was preaching hate.
Is the sheep preaching hate when he says, I'm not gonna let the wolf eat me anymore? If the wolf comes in here, next time he comes in here, I'll do whatever I have to do to keep him off my back. Is the sheep violent or is the wolf violent? He wasn't teaching hate, he was teaching common sense. You know, somebody's knocking him over the head, stop him. Do whatever you have to do to stop him. You know, the ones that were knocking him over the head were afraid of the fact that he might swing back, so they said, no, he's teaching hate, he's fine.
What you see in front of you here is typical.
Being alive is literally scarily expensive, and everything that makes it feel better is going to give me cancer. So I'm probably just going to keep looking for joy wherever I can find it. And a big part of that is learning to tune out the voices that tell me that it's stupid. So please, no offense, I'm not going to hold your hand when I say this, but fuck off.
In the city of Philadelphia, we talk all the time about the city of Philadelphia being a city of eds, meds, and beds. The reality is that's archaic thinking. We love our educational institutions. We pride ourselves on what we do for hospitality, and we recognize that healthcare is a big part of what our city is. But the reality is, it's 2025, and the pandemic showed people and taught folks that you can work from anywhere. The creative economy is booming in ways that we've never seen before, and if we're not thinking creatively, if we're not being innovative about what our investment in 2026 looks like, it's going to be a situation where the window opens and closes and nothing will change, nothing will be new in the House of Pennsylvania. Beyond 2026, it's important that we see significant investment that puts us in a position to attract new industries to the city of Philadelphia and invest in different and put the economics in places that will give us a significant return on our investment so we could be a new home to businesses, constituents, and companies who recognize not only is this the birthplace of the United States of America, but this is the best place in the United States of America.
Front of you here is typical of a tumor as it develops in the body. It starts small and it vasculates.